Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is heading down further. Not much surprise given that we broke below the 1940 level. That was a critical support, cut into this previous wave high, and that indicated further weakness. Doesn't mean it has to go down in a straight line, but it means I'm looking for lower prices. As already indicated a few days ago, the 1940 level was important. The 1994 level, that was our micro support, broke above that. It's always easy to say in hindsight, but it was our micro support that broke. And because the 1994 level broke, you will remember that our structure broke. And you can see how valuable that warning was. Okay. Now we've dropped even further to nearly $1,900. We then also broke the 1940 level, which would have been another chance for Ethereum to turn around, which it didn't use. And we are now comfortably below 1940. And that just indicates to me further weakness and indicates that a wave one top has been made here at the 14th of April, which was our alternative before. But the break of 1994 was the warning we needed to switch perspectives, or at least to consider this with higher probability. And then the break below 1940 made it the primary. Already indicated that in yesterday's video. I made a tiny change to the subwave structure here. I did move this B wave off here to here. And I see it as a flat correction currently, which is happening, but a very bearish one, because in such a flat correction, normally the C wave should not go below the 261.8 fib extension. Now, that doesn't mean it can't do, but it means we are basically now in an area where a bounce to the upside is getting more and more likely. Now, I'm not saying it will be super bullish what's going to happen. I would first understand it as a B wave, which is happening. Basically as a B wave within a larger ABC of wave 2. Yeah, and interestingly, there are a few levels to watch here. First of all, this overall support area for wave 2 is 1533 to 1754. I have added the 1845 level as well, because that's the level where an A wave oftentimes bottoms. Not always, but quite regularly. And then in addition to that, I showed you the 261.8 extension, which is relevant. And another level to watch is the 1-to-1 ratio between waves 1 and waves 5. So if I do this, then you're looking for the 1-to-1 ratio at 1885, which is another level to watch. So on the micro side, we've got the 1885 level to watch next. The 261.8 extension of the A wave was just broken, so we are now starting to get into Fibonacci support. So it's time to be watching if things are turning around here. We certainly have enough waves, as you can see, to consider this move down complete. Yes, the fifth wave can go a little longer, but I would be surprised if that fifth wave in this count goes longer than 1845. But it wouldn't be too unusual. It's just that I think it's time for a turnaround, at least temporarily, in a B wave, not necessarily in something more bullish. Now, of course, it could always be, and this is still possible, that we're going higher here. Yeah. So I've got this obviously labeled now as a wave 1, which comes down in a wave 2. I'm always careful not to put too many alternatives on the count, but there's a possibility, and that's how I had a wave 1 labeled before, that a wave 1 finished here as an alternate. Then we had the wave 2 here. But then I have to tell you that it's a very, very unclear structure, which we currently have here. Yeah, very unclear structure. And then we should have a wave 3 still up here as an alternate, with a very messy structure here. Absolutely. I don't want to rule it out, because the ETH chart for me still looks a bit healthier than Bitcoin's, but this is only the alternative at the moment. I'm looking for the primary here now to come down lower. Very important, not in a straight line, but rather here in an ABC correction. I mean, could it be that it's doing this in one go? Yes. If this does the ABC and comes down into the yellow box, it could go up straight away without doing a B wave. Yeah, and that wave 2 will be finished here. But looking at the time aspect, this is not likely, given that this has taken, more than a month to complete this wave 1, and the wave 2 would normally not be completed in just a few days. But they are the things to watch out for at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.